Hey everyone, today we're going to be making street tacos, and this recipe is absolutely perfect for impressing your friends, having dinner guests over, and being able to do all that while on a budget. So let's go ahead and we'll jump right in. For the marinade, we are taking a 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. You can use the pre-bottled stuff, but I did fresh here because fresh just tastes so much better. And then we're also going to take a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 4 cloves of garlic, and then you're going to take your knife and you're just going to smash your cloves of garlic so they're easier to peel, and then just throw them into the olive oil and lime mixture. Then for some extra flavor, you're going to go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of cumin and 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. Once that's done, you're going to take about a 1/4 cup of cilantro. You don't really have to worry too much about removing the stems, and you're going to chop that up and then add that to your marinade as well. Add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt to that, and then don't forget your black pepper to taste. Mix it all up and set it aside for just 1 minute. Then you're going to take 1.5 pounds of whatever kind of chicken you like. You can do thighs, you can do the chicken tenderloins. I have chicken breast here, and I'm just cutting into strips. Since I'm using chicken breast, I'm going to be marinating my chicken overnight. If you're using something with more fat like chicken thighs, you can probably only marinate it for about 4 hours, but chicken breast, because it has less fat, tends to be a little tougher, so that's why I'm marinating this one overnight. But like I said, if you're doing something with a little more fat like the thighs, 4 hours will suffice for marinating. Alright, and then while that is marinating in the fridge, you go ahead and cover that, put that in the fridge, and then we will move on and we will start working on our tomatilla salsa. For our tomatilla salsa verde, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start with 6 tomatillas, and they look just like this. You're going to peel the skins off of them like I'm doing there. And for those of you that don't know, a tomatilla is in the same family of nightshades. That's with the tomatoes. So in the same family as the tomatoes. They have kind of a citrusy, slightly sweet flavor to them, and the more ripe they are, the sweeter they get. And like I said, you're going to start out with 6 of those, and you're going to make sure you peel the skins and the stems off like I'm doing right there. After you wash your tomatillas, you're going to go ahead and you're going to take either 1 large or 2 small jalapenos, and then you're going to rough chop about 1/2 an onion, and then peel 3 or 4 cloves of garlic. Then you're going to roast these at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And once your tomatillas are nice and browned, you're just going to go ahead and blend up all your roasted veggies together. But first, don't forget to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, just a little bit of water, and salt and pepper to taste. You're going to want quite a bit of salt on this one. You can also optionally add a couple tablespoons of cilantro if you like, and then just blend it up for about 30 seconds. When it's done, it should look like that. Have that kind of runny salsa consistency. Set your salsa aside to cool down, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to get your chicken after it's been marinating, and you're going to cook that on a stovetop, either in a skillet, or I have here my cast iron grill that I'm cooking with. Now, it's important when you go to cook this up that you've cut thinner strips, like bite-sized thin strips, because that way the chicken will cook quickly and it will stay tender and juicy on the inside. After about 2 or 3 minutes, you're going to go ahead and flip that. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to mention this, cook that on medium. But yeah, you're going to flip that after 2 or 3 minutes, and you can see some of the dark lines we're getting, the nice grill lines there. And then you're going to cook it on the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. And once your chicken is cooked through thoroughly, you're going to go ahead and just move it onto your favorite tortilla, and you can top with lettuce, you can do sour cream, cheese, Mexican crema, and of course the salsa verde that we made. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe today for more awesome recipes just like this one. Bon appetit! See you next time, guys.